to believe in us, believe in me, and give this amazing space and do this together. So we have three. I spoke to Stella last year, and she said, "Let's do the attributes of the petals of Matrimandir," and I was like, "Wow, that's something to work on." I took 3 Indian artists, and she took 3 Italian artists, and in 2 weeks we have made this work. So we all chose 2 attributes by chance. After living in India for 33 years, I've been going in and out of petals, and I finally understood a bit of what it means. So it starts with sincerity by Viviana, who used clouds, and the colors they brought. And this is humility, which is our theme this year. And she has made this bowl that we use roti and a bell to.
What you need with them to see it's very difficult. This attribute. She was really like working on the thinking, it's so one of the hardest. Gratitude. This was my piece. For me the gratitude is being a mother, being born in a good family. So I took a mold of my belly when I was pregnant. I've been working with that. And it's the symbol of gratitude, the universe, so I played with that. And this is the color of gratitude. It's to the mother.
So I made the symbol of gratitude in the mold of my belly when I was pregnant. This is perseverance, which is Viviana who did the mountain because we have to persevere with strong perseverance.
2 pieces or 1?
2 pieces. It's like both my children, no?
Nikita did Aspiration, Rose and Neha Kudchadkar, and then Receptivity, and she has done Progress. This perseverance, that was with sincerity, humility, gratitude, that was nice, and this is perseverance, it's like a mountain, this is again to not to continue your work, get up every time you fail, perseverance, this one.
Perseverance.
That's how each one is hard, each one is not easy. And this is Nikita, this is Aspiration.
Wow.
Yeah. Not greed, but desire to aspire. And this one is Receptivity by Neha. So it's the hand, you can go around it. And from off the heart, from the heart. We've gone to, it's so funny, I was working on heart, she was working on heart, so, and
You have to see the texturing of it here.
here this side, yeah.
That's really very hard.
Yeah, she could rub that thing to get the black smell.
Pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Pretty amazing.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And this one is courage, because for Nikita it's like a flame. So she tried to create the flame. Courage.
So the same artist has more
No,
than
these two are one.
Okay.
Those Aspiration, and so it was by chance that. This one is Margherita, and she made these cartoons, and she makes these dolls. Margherita, she's there, the one in pink top, she makes these dolls. And this one is Stella, again, generosity, abundance, overflowing. So you have generosity and receptivity. And this is mine. Quality. The new golden bee, again with the heart, in the garden of equanimity. I went on my daughter to home this summer and I got this, it is equanimity. And in Baha'i faith, there is a flying bird. So I put a close bird for me, but the new being will reach that. That's my aspiration for my daughter.
wow.
Yeah. And this is a goodness. This is again Margherita. She had peace and goodness, and she made the two different clays, the white clay and the brown body clay, and like they meet here, you know. Don't they?
Thank you.
I don't have to work for. Courage for Nikita is like a flame. This is by Margherita. Here is generosity by Stella, abundance. And this is equality of, this is I did of the new being one at heart. And this is goodness by Margherita. One is with the white clay body and one is with the brown clay body coming together. So please come and have a look. And I'd like to start by asking Laura to just light this candle, and then Neha Kudchadkar will do a little performance. Yeah. So I'll just I don't preach. I delight in this chance to sit with you and talk in the serendipity of our meeting, in inviting you into my sacred space, my scattered brain. In that this is a monologue, and I get to watch you watch me and listen to my own sweet voice. I must confess, singing in front of others terrifies me. To have someone listen to how the sound travels in my body, where the flow is, where the blocks are, where the music burrows through and adapts to memories, where it changes events, lies as it comes out, often bedraggled through my mouth. I am terrified to have someone witness my turbulent, disobedient voice. So I guess being here right now is about letting go of some fears. मालती गुंफाए कैसे प्यारे घुंघरारे, मालती गुंफाए कैसे प्यारे घुंघरारे, मांगे मोती में सवारी चोटी पीठ पर तानी, मोती न सवारी चोटी पीठ पर तानी, सब बन है आयशा प्यारी, सब बन है आयशा प्यारी. I reflect. I don't overthink. I try not to overthink. But how can I not? While I display my chapped voice, there are throats being punctured, skulls being shattered, uteri sucked out, breasts slashed. I wonder if we hurt the earth the way we do because she is mother. As swallowers of oceans, snatchers of volcanoes. Of course, I overthink and I despair. I shouldn't. But I wish I could embody the magnificent luminescence of the sky. I wish I could borrow the infinite calm of the sea. I wish I could contain the happiness of a puppy. I wish I could hold the generosity of forests. Instead, I hold this diffident mouse of a my propensity to self-flagellate infuriates me. As if right now there are not 100 people who want to flog us, shut down this wonderful, powerful voice. This rage confirms my courage, maybe. So I guess being here right now is giving myself permission for happiness, to love my being for being. Bendi bhal shravan kundal galimala. Bendi bhal shravan kundal galimala. Mukhe damini sita mein kate, damini sita mein kate char matwari, char matwari, sab bankan aayi shama pyari re, sab bankan aayi shama pyari. Maybe beauty, like courage, is in our honesty. Here, now, in our broken voices, our broken hearts, our scattered brains, our willingness to share our worlds with each other. In the moments we refuse to share with anyone, I celebrate. Maybe I heal.